Vinson. I told you I was going to be on the lookout for low to no cost solutions to making money online. Well, I've got a couple of other ones I want to show you. Three of them, actually. myworkforlife.com. Now, I hadn't started these three, so I don't know. I haven't got any ways to tell you except for to go online and look for reviews about it. But it says the fastest way to make money online. It says they've been around for years and have served over thousands of members worldwide. There's no fees to join, and we send out thousands of dollars in payments to our members every month. So, if you're looking for a way to make money, it's no charge to join, and they send out money. And that's the biggest thing about those things. Said, okay, it's not exactly that easy, but thanks to the exploding gig economy and the enormous reach of the internet, there are more opportunities than ever to watch the Benjamins, or at least Abrahams, roll in during your downtime from the comfort of your home. So just register yourself on the website, log into your account, your job dashboard, and start doing very easy and little tasks. Earnings will then start flowing into your account and get paid for your work. Remember, registration is completely free. Sign up using the form below. Now this is myworkforlife.com. Here's a little different one, upcrowdme.com. This is a crowdfunding thing. I don't know if you know too much about crowdfunding. You might want to look that up in case you don't. But it takes joining and starting on the bottom level, kind of like a pyramid scheme, I guess, if you want to call it that. Probably would want to call it that because it's probably what it is. But they say here you can raise up to $64,000 in 6 months, finding only 3 new donors. And it starts with one $5 donation. Now, like I said, I hadn't done any of this, so I'm not promoting them. I definitely don't have an affiliate for neither one of them, and the third one neither. So, it's just up in the air. You can try it. Let me know though if you do try any of these things. Try it. Come back and leave me notes in the comments or something. Let me know how it turns out because I can't try everything. There's just not enough time in the day. Then there's wowapp.com. Now I've heard of this. I hadn't signed into it neither, but they supposedly do pay, or how much. Here's can you an idea how much do they earn? Now I don't know how much that is, but everyone earns according to their contribution. How the population thinks wealth is distributed, people think the gap between the rich and the poor is too great. This is the reality, and the richest 8 people own 50% of the world's wealth. WowApp is a free and unique community that allows you to earn real money and do good. This comes as a result of the activities you currently perform without reward. Communicate, read news, browse the web, play games, open your mobile, shop online, take surveys, and perform tasks. Now, the ones that I told you about before, user testing and userlytics and try my UI. Now, 2 of those I'm making money on now, so I'm telling you, it can happen. All you got to do is get on here and try. So if you can't make enough motion to get in here and fill out your name and password and sign up to it, then I don't know what to tell you about earning money. There's harder ways to do it. You can always go dig ditches, I guess. Okay, hope I didn't make you mad by that, but that's the facts. You got to take action. It don't never happen until you do something, which is called taking action. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. See you.